remote sensor, you can see that there are 4 switches in the remote. So front to switch which shows up and down arrow. From that switch you can adjust degree as per your requirement. With the use of F switch you can change degree fast, and with the use of R switch you can reset the degree. This is a video regarding thread sensor. We are using a thread sensor for taking the thickness of rope automatically. This part is called potentiometer. It is used for sensitivity, how fast sensor jet get command that you can adjust with this potentiometer. Now first you have to do calibration of the sensor. First, with the use of string you have to do 0, means you have to maintain a string line where both lights are off. Now it's 0. Now you have to on the grid. This is called grid assembly. You just need to pencil tool. You just have to fix it. Now just moving finger to this string line. You can see that whenever string goes up and down, sensor will send the command to drop.
Already connected sensor at the start. After this we are gonna calibrate. This is connected to our module on left side. Now what I am asking, our control will be connected to this one, to that one, so that we can arrange the slope of our pavement.